Thank you for watching Inspire Math videos. Today we're going to study how to add or subtract 3 or more fractions by finding the lowest common multiple. Let's look at some of the questions. Question number 1. 1 over 6 plus 2 over 3 plus 3 over 4. Let's find the lowest common multiple of the denominators, 3, 4, and 6. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and so on. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, and so on. And multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and so on. So the lowest common multiple is 12. So we multiply 2 to both the denominator and the numerator of 1 over 6 to get 2 over 12. In a similar way, we multiply 4 to both the denominator and the numerator of 2 over 3 to get 8 over 12. Finally, we multiply 3 to both the denominator and the numerator of 3 over 4 to get 9 over 12. Now, we just add all the numerators. 2 plus 8 plus 9, which is 19. The denominator stays the same as 12. 19 over 12 is an improper fraction. So for those who prefer a mixed number, we can think how many 12 can fit into 19. We get 1 12 in 19, so we can subtract 1 times 12 from 19. Then we get 7. So the answer is 1 in 7 over 12. For addition and subtraction with common denominators, you can calculate the numerator and the denominator stays the same. Let's move to the next question. 7 over 8 minus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 3. Consider finding the lowest common multiple of 3, 4, and 8 first. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and so on. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, and so on. Multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, and so on. So the lowest common multiple is 24. So we multiply 3 to both the denominator and the numerator of 7 over 8 to get 21 over 24. In a similar way, we multiply 6 to both the denominator and the numerator of 1 over 4 to get 6 over 24. Finally, we multiply 8 to both the denominator and the numerator of 1 over 3 to get 8 over 24. Now we just calculate the numerators. 21 minus 6 plus 8, which is 23. The denominator stays the same as 24. The final answer is 23 over 24. Again, you only calculate the numerator and the denominator stays the same. Let's move on to the last question. 1 over 2 minus 1 over 4 plus 7 over 8 minus 13 over 16. Consider finding the lowest common multiple of 2, 4, 8, and 16. Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and so on. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and so on. Multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, and so on. And multiples of 16 are 16, 32, 48, and so on. The lowest common multiple is 16. So we multiply 8 to both the denominator and the numerator of 1 over 2 to get 8 over 16. In a similar way, we multiply 4 to both the denominator and the numerator of 1 over 4 to get 4 over 16. And we multiply 2 to both the denominator and the numerator of 7 over 8 to get 14 over 16. For 13 over 16, it already has a common denominator of 16, so you don't have to change anything. Now, we just calculate the numerators. 8 minus 4 plus 14 minus 13, which is 5. The denominator stays the same as 16, so the final answer is 5 over 16. Let's summarize today's lesson for adding or subtracting multiple fractions. First of all, check the denominators. If you have the same denominator, you don't need to change anything. If not, find the lowest common multiple of all denominators. That will be your common denominator. Change fractions to equivalent fractions with a common denominator. Remember to multiply the same number to both the numerator and the denominator. Once you have a common denominator, you just need to add or subtract numerators for addition or subtraction. For addition and subtraction, the denominator stays the same. Here are some challenge questions. Try them out. Sample solutions are linked under the video. Press Show More below the video and then find its link. Hope you can solve them. Thank you for watching Inspire Math videos. Please subscribe if you'd like to join our Inspire Math tutoring community. There are some related videos linked below. Press Show More for details. Thank you and have a good one.